If you are someone who really loves to eat those decadent desserts but doesn't like to spend a lot of time in kitchen, then you are at the right channel. Hi friends, my name is Gunjan and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make keto tiramisu truffle. Let's start with the recipe. Now there is no tiramisu without coffee. So first we will start off by making the coffee mixture. To make coffee mixture, here I have taken 1.5 tablespoon of hot water. To this I am adding 2 teaspoons of coffee. Here I am using instant coffee. Give it a good stir until it's well combined. And keep it aside. Now next, heat a heavy bottom non-stick pan and start toasting your almond flour. Here I have taken 1 cup of almond flour. During this process, please make sure that you are just toasting the almond flour without burning it. Usually almond flour has high burning point, so you have to be really careful here. And now here we are done with the toasting of almond flour. Now next, in a large size mixing bowl, add your toasted almond flour. And to this I am adding 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. Coconut flour will help to absorb the extra moisture. And the next goes the star ingredient, which is mascarpone cheese. Next goes 1/4 cup of powdered sweetener. If you don't have a powdered sweetener and you have a granular one, you can run it into a blender and it will become a powdered sweetener. And finally add your coffee mixture and give it a good stir. Mix it until everything is well combined. Break up if there is any lumps formed into the mixture. This one is a really easy recipe without a lot of drama, and this tastes so much like tiramisu, I can't tell you. While I'm mixing all this up, why don't you go and subscribe my channel for more recipes like this. And here I am done mixing all this up. Next, freeze this mixture for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, let's start truffling. So we are going to make small balls out of the mixture. Like this. Now I'm going to roll this one into a cocoa mixture. This is unsweetened cocoa. And similarly, I have shaped all of them. Finally, pop this into refrigerator for 4 hours. And finally, there we are. Our keto tiramisu truffles are ready. Please subscribe my channel for more such recipe. Thank you.